everybody, this is Kayla from JadorKNL.com. I am here again because I am showing you about CoverGirl. I received a couple of products from my influencer CoverGirl Box, and they sent me this Oh Sugar CoverGirl and the CoverGirl Plumpify Mascara. So I'm going to be trying these out in this tutorial that I'm doing today. Another thing that I went ahead and picked up was this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous foundation. This one I like a lot. It actually is in my skin tone, which is, I told you guys it's really hard for me to find drugstore foundations that work for me, but this one actually works too. It's very fresh. I think it's a little lighter. As far as like, it's not so much like a BB cream, but it's a little, it has coverage. I really like it, so it's really good. Anyway, so let's get to the tutorial and I will show you how everything works. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to be applying my foundation all over my face. I am using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous foundation in 320. Now I'm applying my CoverGirl Plumpifying Mascara. So here I have the True Blend concealer stick, and I'm going to be applying this in all the areas that I want to highlight. Now I'm adding some of the Queen Collection CoverGirl foundation for my contour areas.
This one goes out to the ladies at breakfast in last night's dress. I see you. Yo, this goes out to all you kids that still have their cars at the Club Valet.
Next, I'm going to set my highlight area with this translucent powder by CoverGirl.
Shout out to all you kids buying bottle service with your rent money. This is how we do.
Then I'm going to set my contour area with the CoverGirl Queen Collection foundation powder. I didn't have a blush and highlight by CoverGirl on me, so I just used a couple of other drugstore products that I had laying around. Now I'm going to apply my CoverGirl Oh Sugar lipstick in Taffy.
No. Bring the beat back. That's right.
Well, there you have it. I hope you like my video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.